Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make Gmail account or Google account. We have to follow certain procedures, but it's not really complicated. First open Google Chrome or either Firefox and type on the URL address www.google.com. And then on that search engine you type www.gmail.com. Then it will take you to the Gmail Gmail. Then you will scroll down and you will get a tab called create a Google account, or you can open a new tab, or you can either tab, you press on that will lead you to that icon, create an account. So you press there. Okay, now here now you have to add your name full name, or what kind of name you want to, especially you can give your own name. So right now I'm trying, I already have my mail account, so Gmail account, so I'm making using my brother's name. you already uh, for your first name and the middle name or the last surname, then which then next you have to add your username. Okay, then I'm not up this his username. Then password. In case of password, it's always wise, I always recommend you to use different letters, uh, alphabet, number, and also some symbols. If you can use this, then it will be quite uh, strong. See, I only used numbers, so it's been quite weak, so I had to change the password again. uh, let's try this. Okay, it worked. Okay, then now it's time for confirmation. You enter your phone number, then your date of birth, okay, yeah. After that, select your gender. um, then you press on that next. Okay. Now you'll get confirmation code. It's a 6-digit number, so you'll get in the phone through SMS. You just enter there and verify. We are just waiting for the code. So we got the code 52. Okay, now press on that verify. Now this is the policy and terms and policy of Gmail accounts, Google account. So there are policies, what do's and don'ts. So you are there and just verify it. And this is it. Now we we have created uh, Gmail account. Let's try it. Sign out and signing in. That's that's the one we created right now. Password. Next. Yeah, we are in. So thank you guys. If you like the video, do like it and share it. See you next time.